We were staying in Paris to get away from your parents, and I thought, wow, if I could take this in a shot right now, I don't think that we could work this out on the terrace. I don't know if it's fair, but I thought, how could I let you fall?
First, I open up the seam on the pants legs for both sides, and I sew a straight seam down the center back, combining the back of the skirt. Then, I fray the edges a little bit near the crotch area to give it a distressed look.
We go down together, we'll get away with everything. Let's show them we are better.
Once I've frayed the crotch area, I pin it down so that it overlaps one side over the other, and I sew this down. This will make the front of the skirt connect. I adjust the waistband by cutting off the belt loop, and then I cut from the waistband down to the crotch area. This way, I can make the waist fit exactly how I want to, and then taper the seam so that it all fits.
To get away from your parents, you look so proud, standing there with a frown and a cigarette, posting pictures of yourself on the internet, out on the terrace.
Now, because the pants fit like skinny jeans, I have to add some fabric on the side. So I cut the split on the side, making it go all the way up to the waistband, and then I open it up to make a triangle shape. I'm doing this to add enough fabric so that it can become a skirt.
I was clever. If we go down, then we go down together. We'll get away with everything. Let's show them we are better.
Let's show them we are. Show them we are. Show them we are. Show them we are.
Let's show them.
Now, using extra fabric from the pants leg, I make a panel bigger than what I need. I place it underneath the skirt, making sure that I open up the split so that the panel can fit inside and be enough fabric. And then I sew a straight seam down both sides to connect the panel. Due to some mysterious missing footage, I don't have a video of me adding a zipper into the back, but I just add a regular denim zipper, and I cut the hem so that it's somewhat even. Now here's the finished product.
We were staying in Paris